Alright guys, so the next challenge today is to solve a Rubik's Cube while riding a bike backwards. So without falling off, sitting on the handlebars right here, riding backwards. And obviously I can do this while juggling as well, so that's not the hard part. The hard part is the park where I'm doing this at. There's a lot of people walking right now. And I guess they're all over there. So I gotta make sure I'm not so focused with this that I run into anyone or go off the path. I may not do a great job recording this. I'm gonna have to probably, I got a head cam for this thing, so I'm gonna put that on so you can see me solve this thing. Still gotta mix it up, I think. And let's do it. All right. Hopefully you guys can see this. All right. So I absolutely love this park. This park is so pretty. So I'm not super fast at solving Rubik's Cubes. I am definitely a newbie when it comes to solving them, but I can do it. Okay, so I have not been paying attention to this thing. I think it is sufficiently mixed up, and I got someone coming up. Let's see if we can not run into him. He doesn't look like he's in a great mood. How you doing? All right. All right. I'll tell you what. I'll do a little bit better than that. I will explain what I'm doing while I'm solving it. Or, actually, I probably won't. All right, first layer done. Woo, that's close. Woo. I keep my concentration here. Got another guy coming up. Coming up behind you, man. Whoop, sorry. Final layer. Here we go. Boom! Look at that. Alright, let's see. That was like 4.5-ish minutes. That's not that bad. Alright, I'm gonna do it again, see if I can get a little bit faster.